you see it grow, there is. Had you vibe with me, and I ain't even do everything I'm supposed to do. Made you looking like me and being talented too. Yeah, the world gon' see me to my ex-house. Yeah, fuck you. I'm in my fucking bed right now, 'cause I'm in love. Turn to reality. I found my peace of mind. Now I could be